garlic and scallion inside the pot. Alright guys, so just cutting up my garlic for my pork. See, pork clean and pretty. So cutting up my scallion. So, more time, what amount of time can work. And I have some really small onions. Some really small onion, guys, so that's what I'm going to be using. So guys, the onions are really small. So that should do it. So I'm gonna put some all-purpose. When I use this season, guys, I don't have to use any salt. Then I'm gonna use some soy sauce, Eve soy sauce. So. Right. Then I'm gonna use some Eve browning. Then I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and cover it and wait till the pot's hot. So guys, the pot hotting, getting the peas on the fire pressure in. So I'm just getting the pot to get really hot before I pour the oil inside. Yes guys, so peas are pressure on everything. Alright, so guys, I just put in the meat, the pork. So today I'm cooking brown stew pork. Yeah, Jamaican authentic brown stew pork, looking nice. I'm just gonna go cover the pot. The peas still on the fire pressuring, so I'm just gonna give it some time. Look at the peas, guys. And still, these pieces look tough. Yeah, I've been pressuring them for quite some time now, and they still hasn't finished. They still haven't finished cooking, so I'm just gonna give it some more time to pressure. So guys, the pork coming on really good. It's coming on really, really good. Like that, guys. Pork, my favorite meal. Bone stew pork and rice and peas. Oh God, nice. Look at this, guys. This pork is really soft. Look at that. Fat go right through. So, and this is not even 10 minutes yet since I put this pork on the fire, and fat can already go through. Okay. Alright, the pressure cooker. I don't know where the weight is for the pressure cooker. I'm just gonna leave this to simmer down. So guys, I'm just gonna add some water to it. Put this a little bit. And let that stay and cook. Yes guys, so my pork is coming on. So the meat starts falling off the bone. Look at that. See? Look at that. See? I'm just gonna allow it to cook a little bit more. Then I'm putting back some more scallion and some more thyme. For cook. And I'm just allowing it to go down a little bit more. Put some more. So yes guys, I just put my thyme, garlic and scallion inside the pot. So I'm just gonna let that stay there and put it on. I don't cut the scallion this time around. I'm just allowing it to go down and make gravy. So I just cover the pot and leave it. Still have the peas pressuring. So guys, I'm just gonna add the coconut. I guess I have to ox this off camera. Alright, so went ahead and grate the coconut. So I'm just gonna juice it. I was gonna blend it guys, but ended up juicing it. Ended up grating it, I should say. Yeah, I'm just gonna add some more water. So I don't want a lot of water in it because I want it to be rich. So to all of the young people who don't like to grate coconut, it's best when you grate your coconut. Even though it's more easier to blend it. Well, this is how I like my coconut. And then just juicing the coconut, guys, to get the milk, taking the trash out. Then I'm gonna run it through the strainer. I'm just taking most of them out. Okay, so guys, that's the peas. So I'm just gonna pour the milk. Just strain the juice. Alright guys, for those who know how to cook properly, after you squeeze the coconut trash, you get all the juice out, you want to put a little bit of trash in it to season your rice and peas. Okay, so you put a little bit in there to season it. Then we're all finished. So the coconut milk on the fire, I'm just gonna leave it for it to boil. Then when it comes to boiling point, I'm gonna add my seasoning to it. So yes guys, pork almost finished. Look at that, right through. Almost finished. I'm just allowing it to go down to gravy. I put the scallion and the thyme in it. We season it. For that. And here goes my peas, seasoned up with coconut milk, scallion, thyme, fermented grain, and all that. So I'm just waiting for it to boil up, and I place a little sugar in it. Yes guys, so I'm just waiting for that to finish boil before I can put the rice in it. So I'm just allowing this to go down a little bit more before I switched it off. Alright, look at that guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead now, wash the rice and put the rice in. See, this smells really good and it don't finish yet, so you can just imagine. This finished cook. Look at that. See? Pork really soft, and this don't take long to cook guys. Less than 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and this is cooked, and your pork finished cooked. If it's soft, depends on the type of pork that it is. So this is rice. Gonna pick it, wash it, and put it inside the pot. So I'm just looking for anything inside of it. I'm just gonna wash the rice and then put it inside. So guys, I just put in the rice. that. Look at that, guys. Look at my rice and peas. Jamaica authentic rice and peas, guys. A lot of peas. Alright, so guys, I placed the plastic over it. See? Look at my rice and peas. Yummy. Look at my rice and peas, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Cover it. Put it back on. Allow it to steam out. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes, guys, my rice and peas finished. Look at that. All looking good. So I'm about to share right now. So I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. Going to share the food now, guys. Look at this, guys. So I'm just gonna put the meat inside the plates. Nothing too fancy, guys. So guys, these are the foods. Finish sharing and everything, guys. So finally, guys, I finish. So this is my portion of the food, guys. See, I share everybody else big and I almost share myself out. Bye guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video, guys. And share the video out, guys. Share the video out. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.